Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to study our next lecture about various sounds. And the sounds that we have already started are about the vowels of English language. Today we are going to study the third sound of English vowels, and that is about the sound of the vowels when they are coming before R. In this lecture, actually, we are going to see that when the vowel sounds are coming before R, we do not speak R fully. We rather try to mute it or try to make it silent. And we try to speak the vowel sound a bit longer. For example, on your mobile phones, in the picture which I sent you, you can see the total number of various vowels with the R, the combination that can come in our speaking. जहाँ कहीं बेटा ये combination आएगा, like you have ER, EAR, IR, OR, UR, URE, and we have AR. जहाँ कहीं बेटा ये combination आएगा, हम हमेशा vowels को short करके, vowels को sorry long करके और R को हम short करके बोलेंगे. For example, the very first word here we have that is HER. Speak it her, mercy, mother, winner, heart, learn, earth, first, girl, farm, daughter, word, worry, occur, curtain, jury, insecure, culture, grammar, and corner. Here we have some practice pairs. Number one is first person, purple shirt, learn German, other world, serve dinner, third term, farm words, early birds, nervous girl, 33rd. So we have seen that whenever a vowel sound is coming or a combination of vowel sound is coming before our sound, we are always stressing them a little bit more and we are prolonging their sounds and we are trying to reduce the sound of R. Is this clear to everybody? Okay, really wish you all the best and all the students who have watched our video on YouTube. Thank you, everyone.